Internet of Things, the competitive advantage for today and tomorrow. How does IoT work? Sensors monitor the status of the filter devices and their environment. Communication via the Internet starts. Efficiency improves, and data processing and analysis allow product and process improvement. How could IoT work for compressors? Filters become smart and communicate their status to the cloud and our servers. Interactions between components help to verify if filters are original parts, which helps to keep your machine running. To predict the exact time for maintenance, in order to save energy and costs, and to drive product and process improvement. MANN+HUMMEL is ready for IoT. See our case studies. Smart Indoor Air Quality Management. MANN+HUMMEL provides smart solutions for best indoor air quality at the lowest possible energy costs. With Smart HD, MANN+HUMMEL offers a solution to allow for smart filter lifetime monitoring on harvesters. In August 2016, MANN+HUMMEL celebrated the inauguration of the IoT Lab in Singapore. MANN+HUMMEL is ready for IoT. How could we move forward together? We invite you to talk to our IoT expert